Hey everyone, we at CSI hope that you've enjoyed your Devspace experience so far. We've got some really exciting tracks in store for you.
Our first track is blockchain powered by Ethereum. The future of currency is digital money, and blockchain proves to be a step in the direction of modernizing the same. Ethereum envisions social circles which are influenced by your financial stances. With blockchain wallets rising in prominence, peer to peer transaction will become the new norm. In the present world, privacy is growing to be an absolute necessity, and blockchain ledgers secure your identity through pseudo anonymous tokens. Ethereum takes blockchain to a new dimension by decentralizing cryptocurrency for the masses. Teams are free to innovate and develop cross-cutting solutions to problems in domains of their own choice. Your project could aim to solve problems that affect the daily lives of common people, or it could be one that revolutionizes the processes at global scales. The only requirement being your project must be powered by Ethereum technologies. Yes, you got that right. You can make any project as long as it uses Ethereum. Stand to win exciting prizes as well as stand a chance to win not just the Ethereum prize but also overall prizes for the very same project.
Our next track is industrial collaborations powered by Gocomet. Machine learning is the future and is currently being explored in various industries with endless possibilities. Gocomet, a groundbreaking startup, is spearheading the machine learning revolution in the freight industry. Gocomet is a proponent of making use of this revolutionary technology to optimize supply chain operations. Here's your opportunity to develop solutions for the world's leading logistic resource management company. The problem statements for this track include building a single page sales application that gives a bird's eye view of various industries and facilitates contacting companies directly, or creating a web application to digitize procurement procedures and bring stakeholders together to a single platform.
Our next track is industrial collaborations powered by Dyte. Dyte is a video conferencing platform that is based on JavaScript libraries. It helps you integrate video calling onto your own website. The software has high levels of flexibility as compared to other popular video conferencing platforms. Dyte is simple for usage and you do not need any technical expertise to work through the platform. It also allows you to integrate documents, view media, and other such services onto the conference as compared to other services. Dyte has also received seed funding from Y Combinator. Now we proceed on to their problem statements. Dyte provides an SDK using which you can integrate video conferencing onto any application. Build an app or a website that uses live video communication with the Dyte SDK. The second problem statement is described as follows. Dyte is a video conferencing platform, as mentioned earlier, that features interactive plugins for various applications. You can use plugins to collaborate amongst participants of the meeting without having to leave the meeting window. These include, but are not limited to, fun games that you may play with your friends in a meeting or tools which may be useful when you're working in a team. That proved to me more than just effective, and just sharing your screen and taking advantage of real-time collaboration would be much more efficient. Please keep in mind that if you do participate in the track industrial collaboration, you will also be eligible for the main prizes along with the prizes of these tracks.
Our next track is healthcare and social responsibility. Up first, we have indoor fitness during the pandemic. Staying motivated towards our fitness goals has been difficult in these trying times. In the spirit of a healthy lifestyle, implement technology and user ideas to help you work out from home. Second, we've got rapid SOS. During emergencies, effective communication and support becomes essential in all the panic and chaos. Can your innovation make a difference in these matters of life or death? And finally, we have women's safety. Upliftment and women's safety is a major issue plaguing society. It is imperative that we find solutions that would help increase women's safety, especially in high-risk areas.
In our next track, education technology, the problem statements present are: develop tools that will increase productivity for students as well as teachers. All around us, we can see the transition of all activities, whether mundane or large scale, shift online, especially in the education sector. Develop productivity tools for students and teachers of any domain of your choice that can achieve the same success in the educational field in the future. Our second statement is create solutions to spread knowledge surpassing language and ability barriers. The advent of the internet has given accessibility of information to every single individual connected across the network. Come up with solutions to solve the issues faced by people with special needs in conventional education. Our final problem statement involves solutions assisting the spread of digital learning. As we move to a digital community, students have begun to use the internet to accelerate their growth, develop solutions to encourage healthy competition, and facilitate community learning among students.
In the defense and aerospace track, we have drone and UAV-based solutions. From emergency rescues and data collection to wildlife photography, drones are becoming a tool of choice for everyone. Work on ideas and create tools centered around drones. The second problem statement asks you to devise tools that make observational data more accessible for use by scientists, decision makers, and the general public. The lack of refined, authentic statistical data, as well as an inability to easily access it, has led to a spread of a wildfire of misinformation. Make the best use of your technical skills and create tools to refine and present this raw data to anyone to build applications. And finally, we have online intelligence gathering and analytics. We know that tracking the web for specific usage activities can help detect not only the social, political, and cultural aspects of a targeted audience, but can also identify threats to national security. Build tools to identify and analyze this readily available data.
Our final track is open innovation. Imagine better products, entities, processes, and markets not restricted to one sphere of influence, but emerging from everywhere. With the barriers to creativity made permeable, everyone can build something significant. Rooted in the belief that collaborations lead to better results, enter open innovation, a track that looks for solutions to problems of any domain.
Well, these are the tracks and the problem statements that we've got for you to tackle. We can't wait to take a look at your projects, and we wait for you to showcase at Devspace.